Hello, my name is Jonathan Frias, and the title of my presentation is Waste Not, Want Not, Assessing Best Food and Plastic Waste Prevention Approaches. My internship was with Seattle Public Utilities, or SPU. I conducted research that was foundational to the development of a well-informed plan used to advise decision-making aspects related to waste in Seattle, with a particular focus on food and plastic waste in my case. The aim of the project was to develop a strategic plan for how to approach the prevention of waste of different materials at the city level by analyzing successful approaches across levels and by other actors. SPU is an entity that provides services such as watershed management of regional water supplies, which supply drinking water to over 1.4 million people in the region. Other services include collection and diversion of garbage and food waste, as well as recycling. Lastly, SPU manages drainage systems to control pollution and assess storm drains. My research question was, what are the best approaches to preventing food and plastic waste that Seattle should incorporate at the city level? For this internship, I conducted a review of the literature on waste prevention from several databases and organization web pages. After doing so, I identified and interviewed representatives I was able to get in contact with from those organizations or entities and compiled my findings into a report and Excel spreadsheet. I found out that there were a variety of approaches that were impactful and significant in preventing waste, depending on the type of waste being assessed, from legislative action to education and information campaigns. The approaches could be separated into three categories: information and capacity building, redistribution and reuse, and supply chain and retail alteration. In my best practices interviews, which were selected based on accessibility and effectiveness of the programs being implemented, I found that building interdepartmental partnerships can help to be an effective approach in attaining a circular economy in an interdisciplinary way. I also learned that the saving of money is a greater motivator as compared to the environmental and social concerns when something goes to waste. Money is a limiting factor for achieving sustainable outcomes, and as funding constrains the reach of a program or organization. These results are significant as they indicate the consensus around the most effective ways to subvert waste across industries and sectors. Further, promoting corporate social responsibility is necessary to lead to fundamental change in how environmental concerns around waste are managed. The preliminary information that we found in our research was to be expanded upon by an environmental consultant's review of our practices found and others that were not mentioned. Further research into the efficacy of approaches is needed to address the knowledge gaps in order to inform decisions on waste management. Thank you. I will now take any questions that you have about my poster and or my project.